So now let's just use our animations, right? So till now, you know that we create a game mode, we create a character. Let's just open up the character because we want to use our animation in our character, right? So like always, let's just make a comment for these two. Select them, hit C, so you create a comment, and I want to call it look around, okay? And again, let's just click in here and copy this color and paste it for this as well, like this. No, all the color is like the same, right? So one way you may think that we should right click in here and uncheck this context sensitive because we want to search for everything and search for animation, and let's see what will happen. And you can see there is a play animation in here, set animation mode, and there is a lot of things in here for the playing the animations, play an animation forward, play an animation, and first thought is to use play animation, right? So first of all, the target is always self because the self is the mesh, or we can just drag and drop this mesh to here, right? And next it will tell you what animation you want to play. So click in here. For example, let's just do it for jump. So this one, right? The jump. And next thing it says, do you want a loop or not? I don't want a loop because we are jumping, right? So now let's just use this animation for our jump for here, right? So let's just grab it, put it here, and play our animation, right? To see if it's working or not. Compile and run, and now if we jump, you can see it play the animation, but it stay at that location. Let's just see other jump animation as well. Just search for jump in here. Travel mode, for example, let's just compile and run. Again, if we hit the space, it will jump, but it won't go back to idle state again, right? So again, let's just search for another thing, jump land, and again compile and run space, and you can see it can jump, but it won't come back to idle animation. Of course, we can just play the idle animation when jump is finished. So one way to do it is like this, play animation in here, but it won't be beautiful. We can do it, but it's not the best way to do it. There is a better way to do this kind of stuff. And I want to show you how you can do that. Unreal Engine developer create a blueprint class for us that is called animation blueprint that we can use to manage all the animations in there. So our blueprint in our character class won't messed up. Okay, in character blueprint class we just move, we just have some movement, we can fire a gun, we can do all of that, but the better way to do it is to go to that animation blueprint class that Unreal Engine developer create for us and use that instead of just plain animation in character class. So let's just do that.